So we're finishing up the studio kitchen, and one decision that I made from the beginning is I'm not going to hook up the water lines to my refrigerator to have an ice maker in the refrigerator. I did that because those things tend to leak. They tend to malfunction. The lines tend to leak, and then you risk damaging your wall, damaging the floor. So today we're looking at one option for us. This might be great for the studio kitchen. It also is great because it's summertime. We need a lot of ice and we need it fast, right? So we're going to be testing out the Ecozy Bullet Ice Maker. This makes ice in 6 minutes and can make up to 26 pounds of ice. I think this is going to be a great option for the studio kitchen, and I think it's going to be a fabulous option now that summer picnics are here. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. One of the things that I think that'll make this a great solution for the studio kitchen, as well as, you know, your regular house. This is a countertop version. And what's great about this is you don't have to hook it up to a water source. So there's no risk of leaking, because anytime you have a water line, you know, it's subject to having some issues, especially with the refrigerator, because the water lines for ice makers fail, right? They fail.
Mold.
All kinds of stuff, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank Ecozy for sending this over and allowing us to try this out. This thing is amazing. It's digitally controlled. And what I really attracted to me with this is it also has an app and a timer. So if your party is going to start in 3 hours, you can program this to start making ice in 3 hours. So when your party starts, the ice starts flowing, right? And it will be great for me because when I'm getting ready to go down and film, I can schedule it to start making ice, you know, in 2 hours. And by the time I get down there and into the studio, I have ice available, and I don't have this risk of constantly having to monitor whether or not I have a leak. I don't have to worry about that, right? So there'll be links down in the description to this Ecozy. Thank you. I'm excited to try this out. I think it's going to be a great tool in the studio kitchen. And also maybe check this out coming this week because Prime Day's coming up, right? That's definitely a bonus. Okay, so let's get this baby out of the box so we can check it out. This is going to be cool. Be great for a cocktail. Did I say that?
Or if you have a girls' night out, or girls' night in.
Cooking Club Live.
Cooking Club Live.
There's some cute little stickers here. You can decorate your ice machine. Okay, and we have a nice quick user guide. Sweet. We're going to have to go through that and see all the functions. We have a user manual here. Awesome. We're going to need that. Let's see. It's pretty slim. I'm already liking that. I want this big bulky thing. And it's pretty slim. Nice. Nice. Look at that. I've seen some and they're huge. Absolutely giant. Really nice. Look at this thing. Sweet. It is nice and compact. So we open this up here, and in here I think we have some little bags for ice. We got a little scoop up in here. Cute. We got some tape in here. Keep it from getting scratched in transit. So here's our little, is that where the ice goes? Okay, so here's a little ice bucket. We're going to be washing this. You're going to put the ice bucket here, and that's where the ice is going to land. So then we're going to pour the water in there, and we'll just put this back in here, and we'll be making ice. So let's look at the control. Okay, it has a light, so you can see it on the inside. It has a cleaning function that we're going to be using. Turn that off real quick. It has a timer, so if you want to delay start, you can change the time here. So this is your small and your large ice size. And then you're going to hit this to get it to start. So I'm going to go ahead and get some water real quick. I'm going to rinse this out. And then we're going to run it through a clean cycle. And then we're going to start making some ice. Okay, so that's the little light in there. That's kind of cool. So I'm going to go ahead and put this water in here. And I want to fill it up. There's a max line. So let me fill that up. Okie dokie. I'm going to put this little ice maker, or the holder for the ice, back in here. So we're just going to go ahead and hit the clean button and start. Ooh, and this is going to take about 30 minutes to do our initial clean. Okay, so the cleaner is done. Cleaning cycle. So we're going to take this out. So we're going to make our first ice. I'm going to go ahead and pour the water in. Let the water spill back in there. We're going to put this in here. Now we're going to start it up. I'm going to turn the light on so I can see what's going on. And we're going to make, I'm just going to make small cubes because I have a small glass. And here we go. And it's telling us that it's currently 68 is the air temp. And it's filling up. So when the ice starts dumping in, I'll show you what it looks like. So it's been going like for
almost an hour.
Yeah, and it's been making ice consistently every 6 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off here. Ooh! Ooh, we have ice! Wow, cool. Here we go. And they're cute little bullet size. Okay, so let's give us a little scoop here. Put it in our glass. This is cool. This is going to be perfect for... I dropped one. This is going to be perfect for the new studio. Perfect for an office, perfect for an RV. And we're going to put a little limeade in here. Keep it nice and chilled. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So my thoughts. One thing I like about this is it's really narrow and compact. This doesn't take up a huge amount of room on your counter. It's perfect for an RV and it's perfect for your office. Cheers. It made ice really fast. And I like the cleaning cycle. I like the digital display, makes it easy. Cheers, everyone. The Ecozy made us some ice. Perfect for the new studio. So I give it thumbs up, definitely. So thank you, Ecozy, for letting us try this out. This is going to be a new member of the Amy Learns to Cook Studio. Links will be down in the description. And Prime Day is coming up. Thanks for joining me.